Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving straight into the topic of how to customize task notifications based on your user preferences, a must-know for the year 2025 and beyond. Let's begin with the first critical step, accessing your settings. On your task management app, find and click on the Settings or Preferences option. Now, this is important because it's the gateway to all the customization options available. Once you've navigated to the settings, you'll want to locate the Notifications or Alerts tab. This is your main control panel for all things related to task notifications. Let me explain why this matters. By tailoring your notifications, you ensure that you're only alerted about tasks that truly need your attention, cutting out the noise and staying focused. Next up, we're going to dive into the different types of notifications. Here, you'll typically find options for email, mobile push, and in-app notifications. You might want to select the type that aligns with your work style. The reason we do this is to ensure that your notifications match your preferred method of receiving updates, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Having chosen the notification type, it's time to customize what triggers these notifications. This could range from task deadlines, updates, or assigned tasks. This helps us because it allows you to choose your level of involvement and ensures you're not bombarded with unnecessary updates. Now that we've done that, it's time for the final step, saving your preferences. Once you're happy with your settings, don't forget to hit Save or Apply to ensure your changes are implemented. This might seem obvious, but it's crucial to remember, as any changes made will not be applied unless saved. And there you have it. You've now personalized your task notifications based on your user preferences, optimizing your work process and ensuring you never miss an important task update. To wrap things up, remember that customizing your notifications is all about making the tool work for you, not the other way around. So don't be afraid to tweak, adjust, and experiment with your settings until it fits like a glove. Until next time, happy task managing.